I have been to over 30 countries in Africa, from West Africa, East Africa, Southern Africa. But I can say this, the most welcoming people in Africa, I can say this, believe me, are Senegalese, Tanzanian, and Kenyan. So from the end of this year, all Africans can travel to Kenya without a visa. The president of Kenya had made that announcement. Let's watch the video together.
We have visa regulations left, right, and center. 27 countries in Europe today, with 430 million people, removed visas.
Why not
We still
us?
have visas. Let me persuade us.
I'm going to say this. My brother, who is married to a German woman, they went to South Africa. The German have to apply for, sorry, my brother, who is from Africa, have to apply for a visa for South Africa. But the German, his wife, didn't need a visa to come to Africa. Can you imagine that? My brother, he's from Africa, but he need to apply for a visa, okay, from Germany to go to South Africa. And his wife, who is from Europe, don't need visa. Can you believe that? I'm going to add something also about South Africa. I was in Buenos Aires in Argentina. I did apply for a visa there to go to South Africa. But I can tell you something, the Peruvian was much welcome in that embassy than me from Africa. And guess what? They denied me a visa. And I was having an Argentinian residency, Uruguay residency permit.
That it is time we in this continent realize that having visa restrictions amongst ourselves is working against us.
That's
When
true.
people cannot travel, business people cannot travel, entrepreneurs cannot travel, we all become net losers.
I agree.
I am very happy that we are now moving in the direction of eliminating visas amongst ourselves.
That's good, Kenya.
Let me say this. As Kenya, by the end of this year, no African will be required to have a visa to come to Kenya.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
And,
Yep.
and I am very proud
Asante sana.
that the intra-trade within the East African community is already at 27% because we have taken the deliberate decision to remove unnecessary tariffs and visa regulations.
That's good.
I am also very happy that my father here, President Sassou Nguesso, when he came to Kenya, we agreed that there will be no visa requirement between the Democrat.
No, Congo is not the Democratic, it's Congo Brazzaville.
Between Kenya and the Democratic Republic of Congo Brazzaville. I am also happy that last month, when we removed visa requirements for DRC, my brother, President Felix Tshisekedi also removed visa requirements for Kenyans to
Yep.
DRC.
Yep. Love this.
Let me urge us that we need greater collaboration. Our children from this continent should not be locked in borders in Europe and also be locked in borders in Africa.
I agree. I agree. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.